In this video, I am going to show you how to connect the Logitech G733 wireless headset to your Xbox. First, ensure that your G733 headset is fully charged. You can do this by connecting it to a power source using the included USB cable. Next, power on your Xbox console. Since the G733 does not connect directly to the Xbox via Bluetooth, you will need to use a USB dongle. Plug the USB dongle that came with the G733 into one of the USB ports on your Xbox. The headset will automatically connect to the dongle. Once connected, turn on your G733 headset by pressing the power button. You should see the headset's lights indicating that it is powered on and connected. To ensure the headset is working properly, you can go to the Xbox settings and adjust the audio settings to select the G733 as your audio output device. Now you're ready to enjoy your gaming experience with high-quality sound from your G733 headset. If you encounter any issues, make sure the dongle is securely connected and try restarting your Xbox. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.